Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Kevin with Yerkit Racing. I've got something a little different for you today. We're actually out in the front garage. We're going to do a little bit of woodworking in this one. We're going to make a spiral Christmas tree that I saw on another YouTube video. I'll try to put a link in the description below. I can't remember the guy's name right off. But anyway, I'll link it down below. And we have, basically we're going to do a 3-foot spiral Christmas tree. It looked pretty cool. Shouldn't take too long to get it done. Wanted to do something special for my wife and my mother. So we're going to jump right in, see if we can knock it out, guys. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we got our 5 1/2-inch strips cut out of the 2x4. We're going to now cut them up into our shorter strips that we need for the sections of the tree. Alright, we'll go ahead and jump right into that. Just wanted to show you here after we got them all ripped down. Like I said, just turn it into 5 1/2-inch strips. Keep going.
Alright guys, I really hope you're enjoying the video. Just want to take a second to invite you over to Yerkit Racing Spread Shop, where you can find all sorts of merchandise from t-shirts, hats, and hoodies for men, women. We even have stuff for the children. And then we have accessories ranging from coffee mugs to bags, pillows, even stuffed animals for the kids. You name it, it's probably in there. So go over, find you something you like, and then take a picture of it in action and send it over to us at yerkit_offroad@yahoo.com. I think it'd be a really cool thing if we could include some of these pictures at the end of our videos and share it with the rest of the community. So I just want to say, guys, please remember that every order you place on this site is greatly appreciated, and it really goes a long ways to making sure that we're able to continue to bring you the content just like this.
This is 1 2x4 ripped down just like the dude said. Alright, so now that we've got our lines cut, we just got to go up here and cut them all with a saw. Alright guys, we got all of our angles cut, and this is what we're looking at now. We've got our tree just about ready. We just got to drill it, sand and clean the edges, and then run our dowel up the middle and build our base. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes now. Basically, I'm going to make up a little jig where all I have to do is line up the center line with the jig, and I'll be good to go. So we'll make that up now. Alright, so we got our first couple pieces drilled to make sure we got it like we want it. See if we can get them started on our rod here. One. Alright guys, so we got all of our pieces sanded and drilled. Now it's just time to finish putting them together. Alright guys, that's the tree itself. Now we just got to do the base and make a star for the top, and we'll be in good shape. Let's keep at it. Alright guys, there we have it. Got our tree made us a couple of little stars on the bandsaw to go on top. Thanks to my dad and my sister for giving me a hand with the second and third one. Went ahead and knocked out a couple more. Really turned out nice. I'll put a link down in the description below for the guy's video that I saw this on. There's a cut list and everything, so to make it really easy if you guys want to try it. But anyway, that's going to do it for us on this one, guys. I appreciate you following along, and until next time, we'll see you.